Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do an object tracking with your Zhiyun Crane 2. This is the Crane 2, you can see it by this follow focus over here. And I've got also a lot of stuff on top of here. I got my GH5 here with the 7-14, and on top I got my Galaxy S8 with a phone holder and a hot shoe adapter to attach it onto my GH5. And mainly a lot of people been asking me how to connect those two together. It's literally just a phone holder and a hot shoe adapter, which there'll be a link in the description where to buy those. And yeah, it's not a monitor app, it's a basically the phone app, ZY Play phone app of Zhiyun, that you have to connect by Bluetooth to the Crane 2 to enable you to do the object tracking. We have now started the ZY Play app, and we are now going to connect it with the Crane 2. You can see it in the menu here. I'm using the phone to connect it with Bluetooth, so press connect. It says ask me for Bluetooth, so I say yes. Now it should connect itself with it. This doesn't really matter because we are going to still use it for I mainly need to change this back to phone camera control. This is needed so we can actually see what we are tracking. And now if we press here, this next to the X exit, the circular icon is where we start the tracking, and we are now going to drag here what we want to track. We want to track this top bit here. We'll automatically try and find it. It might not fully work. Let's see, you can do it again. Let's exit this. Might be because we have a bit too much backlighting here. I'll try to check it once again. And now it's tracking more correctly. So now we're going to walk from right to left and see how this tracks, and walk slowly. That's a good, nice, smooth tracking. I don't need to move my hand or anything or walk in a specific way. We are here at the next location. We have here this interesting building over here. We're going to press this left bottom icon to start the tracking, and we're going to drag this building, and hopefully it should track it. So we're going to walk straight line across it, and it should track this building, and hope it stays in the middle. Okay, we're going to track one of the windows instead. Okay, and we're going to walk from one side to the other side. Now got the app actually connected, and also we got the object selected. I'm now just going to walk around it. You see my hand will not rotate at all, and it will automatically track. And the top, you can see it automatically rotate around. So you can see that my hand is not changing position at all. I'm not doing anything to move it. It's actually automatically tracking that statue behind me.